Rami here. One could argue that an ego is a type of sickness, and Christ is the medicinal cure for it. Even a healthy ego is quite off kilter. What about criminal egos or mentally ill egos? They are splashed across the nightly news as abnormalities, but are they really that abnormal? People who strictly live according to the perceptions and dictates of the ego are finding it harder and harder to do because the ego's wiring has gone haywire. It's as if the programming has been hacked by a virus. We've said this before, but the virus is Christ. Christ awareness and Christ consciousness have been in the Earth's radar for far longer than Christ manifestation has, and if someone were to do their research, they could trace this virus that I speak of back to the arrival of small bits of sanity to the landscape. Because Christ's manifestation is so extremely powerful and potent, anything that is not compatible with it will feel threatened and not be able to function. Fully incarnated Christ is not diluted. It's like the world's most expensive perfume or 100 proof alcohol. It's the real deal, and its presence is causing problems for those who don't know what it is or where it is coming from. This is causing a type of panic that we have never seen before, and it's all your fault, Christ offices. The funny thing is that no one knows who any of you are. They don't know that God is walking amongst them. Jesus caused trouble when he spoke the truth, but he received unwanted attention long before he started to teach. There was something about him that was irritating the local egos, something they found threatening. So now, history is repeating itself, but the threat is bigger, more widespread, and more clandestine. Namaste, Rami.